Ah, isa po sa mga anad party list, isa sa mga party list na disqualified na Comelec. And we've already filed maybe today or tomorrow, depending yun sa preparasyon ng abogado namin. We'll apply for TRO also in the Supreme Court. So, pinaka-matagal is by tomorrow. Kasi late kami na disqualified. Pero ang masakit lang kasi yung basis for our disqualification, parang nilaruan lang kami ng Comelec. Una, ang base ng Comelec na disqualified kami because hindi daw kami naka-file ng statement of contribution and expenditures last 2007. Yan ang sinasabi dito na ANAD failed to submit the statement of contribution and expenditures for 2007 as required by Section 14 of the Republic Act 7166. Pero, nang na-dig up namin yung record namin, nandito nakapile pala kami sa 2007. At saka it was received by the Comelec last June 12, 2007. So, ito ang sinasabi ko nga parang may problema tayo itong Comelec natin. Ikalawang rason is that kami daw ay hindi marginalized. Pero may statement na si Chairman na vague yung definition sa marginalized. Sabi niya, may problema tayo sa kung ano tayo talaga yung real definition sa marginalized. While na problema siya, ginawa pa rin niyang basihan for our party list to be delisted because we don't belong down to the marginalized sector. Pero alam niya na karamihan sa mga members namin ay mga farmers and some are former rebels and now farming in the countryside, bumalik na sa normal life. So, ito na yung problema namin. So, ang nangyari, kahapon, nag-file ako ng resolution sa Congress na investigating the mental capacity of this chairman. So, I filed the resolution 2883. Kasi ang basihan namin is ganito. Bakit sa una sinasabi niya the party list system is a joke? It's a big joke. That is a very irresponsible statement coming from a chairman. Inisulto niya yung mga nag-frame ng konstitusyon. This is a constitutional provision at sinasabi niya, this is a joke. And considering na siya yung mag-resolve ng mga kaso. So in short, yung mga kaso namin ngayon, pinaglaruan niya. That's why yung mga decision nila, puro joke din. And maybe this chairman is also a joker. That's why I filed the resolution on the Committee of Suffrage and Electoral Reforms to investigate on the mental fitness of Chairman Commissioner Sixto Brillantes to heed the seatful body and to request the Chairman of the Commission on Appointments to make public the psychological profile of the Comelec Chairman as the recent actuations and pronouncements made by the Comelec Chairman show alarming signs of mental and psychological instability, which if remain unchecked, might lead this country to descend into anarchy, lawlessness, or civil unrest, considering that the 2013 election, which is going to be administered and overseen by the Comelec, is fast approaching. So, bahala na kung magalit si Chairman sa amin. Kasi ang challenge ko naman sa kanya, we agree on his idea of cleansing the party list. Pero it should be done with due process. Ang nangyari ngayon, sabi niya cleansing, pero ang nangyari, yung mga komunista, yun ang pinaburan niya. Kami yung mga hindi komunista, kasi ang basis, isa sa mga grounds for our delisting is the petition of Kuntadaya. And Kuntadaya is a communist front. And I know Kuntadaya because I came from there. And one of the signatory of Kuntadaya is Judith Tagiwalo. Judith Tagiwalo is the sister of Mario Tagiwalo. They were all communists. Kasama kami natin noon So sila ngayon nag-disqualify sa amin using the Kuntadaya, and that is a front of the bayan muna. That's why ngayon, nagkagulo na ngayon, because sabi ng bayan muna, sila lang ang legitimate party list, the rest are feudo. Naniwala naman Comelec. So ito ngayon ang problema natin. That's why I believe na ito yung programa ng komunista na matagal ko nang sinasabi na ang komunista, sabi ng komunista, let us join the government to destroy the government. Let us use democracy to destroy democracy. Ngayon, dahan-dahan na i-implement nila yung programa nila to take over this country in, tinatawag nila na parang political struggle na, minus jam struggle. So, yun ngayon ang posisyon namin na challenge the commissioner, the chairman, kung talagang totoo siya, palisin lahat ng mga makakaliwa dyan, alis din kami. Kung wala na yung mga komunista dyan, alis din kami. Yun lang naman eh. Wala naman kami interesado dito sa party list nito eh.
Go ahead.
Sir, sabi kanina umaga, like, I understand pareho na interview sa unang hearing kanina ni Chairman, and he said, wala naman daw po problema sa kanya yung magpatas sa kanyang psychological state and mental state. Pero sana daw, sabayan niyo po siya.
Yung statement na yan, that means may problema sa utak siya. Ako ang complainant. Ako ang naghingi sa kanya na i-submit niya yung, i-public niya yung, pagkatapos ako i-challenge niya. That only shows something is wrong with his mind.
Yeah, but
Sir, sabay na rin ako kayo, sir.
Kasabay ka ba, sir?
Ako ang nagko-complain sa kanya. Hindi ako chairman ng Comelec. Gawin mo na niya akong chairman.
So, ayaw mo, sir, na sabay kayo.
Anong reply? Dahilan kami ang tiranggal, kami pag magpatest. Kalukuhan.